If you are a doctor and want to create a wealth like a 25 crore or 50 crore or more than that, you should have a proper strategy related to money management. For money earning related, you did many things for making money, but managing money related, we don't have proper financial education in our education system, either intermediate or graduation or whatever it is, or we don't have proper system to learn about money management, either it is credit cards, loans, or mutual funds, insurance, or whatever the subject you name it. Because of the lack of financial literacy, many people mismanaging the money. Because of that, they are losing lakhs and crores of money unknowingly. So especially for doctors, I created a short program, some 30 minutes program related to money management. If you are interested to participate in this program, if you want to know more about how you can bestly manage money, then this program is for you. Just sign up, the link is in the description. I'll guide you step by step how to create wealth like a 25 crore to 30 crore, even 50 crore. I'm going to guide you in detail. Thank you.